are watching this video, probably you have using Canvas as an LMS for your course. So today I would like to show you how to think of the initial settings of a Canvas when you are planning to give a course on Canvas, and I'm hoping you can do this couple of at least weeks ago or days ago before you launch your Canvas course. So my recommendation today is go to Home first of all, and then go to Settings. So when you go to Settings, I will go through all these elements of the settings so you can understand what they are, why they are important, and what they have impact on. So for example, image is not necessary, but if you put an image and if you have a lot of courses like those, then you might want to put an image here to just to navigate through in between your courses. Your name of the course and course code will be generated by your institution. Make sure that you do your time zone just to be able to be consistent in your assignment and exam submissions. And then what does that mean, starts and ends? So these dates are the dates that you can set up for the initial start of the course, and then when do you want this course to be ending. So the important stuff here is clicking or unclicking those. So if you click this, students can only participate in the course between these days, which means after your latest day of your, let's say it's November 2020, after that date, the students will not be able to interact with your course. And clicking those, restricting students from viewing the course after the end date, and clicking this one restricts students from viewing the course before the start date. So why this is really important? This is important because if your course canvas is not ready, you definitely want to check this so before you launching the canvas shell, the students will not be able to interact with your course canvas shell, because sometimes your institution may be syncing all the students, all the attendees for your course or platform. So it's important to check this if you are not ready. If you are ready, when the institution syncs all of your students and participants and attendees, then you don't have to check this. And language, these options are not changeable. So visibility, you can change it to course or institution. And the format is important. An important step is format, because if you set on campus, online, or blended, it is different as some of the features. Because if you say online, maybe your institution has just contract with a proctoring service just for online students, or they may have a proctoring service for on-campus students. So that's important to be able to use this and what it impacts. So you can put a description here as well. And when you go to more options, you will have a couple of more options here. So you can let students self-enroll by sharing them with an URL. Most of the institutions just syncs all the students and participants themselves. So you will find the student's name when the class starts. So this one helps you to show the announcement that you will do in the course. For example, if you want last 5 announcement to be seen in the home page, like this one, for example, go to here, and this is your home page, and you can see how many announcements you want this to be seen, right? So here, if you want 5, 3, or 1, you can change the settings definitely here. If you check this, students will be able to attach files to discussions and create. If you check this one, students will be able to create discussions also, and then delete these discussions. I don't recommend clicking those. I always leave them unchecked. And high totals in student grade summary, I also leave this check. I check this because I want to hide the total grades, because sometimes I give my students extra credits and some new stuff, so the Canvas speed grader doesn't really understand my calculation, so it spits out a wrong number, which make the students confused. So I always hide them. And And I also disable comments on announcement, and you can always turn it on if you want any announcement for them to comment when you're doing it. So when you go to announcement, you can say allow liking, enable feed, so you can always change it there. And just make sure if you change anything, make sure that you always update the course details here. Thank you for watching. Next video will be about sections, navigations, and feature options. Thanks for watching this, and if you enjoy it, please like it and subscribe, and also comment below to what to expect next video, so I can do a video for you. Thank you.